Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video I'm super excited because I've come with good news and I've come finally with a solution. Now most people, as far as CEXP trading app is concerned, have been getting a lot of complaint and people have been asking, they don't know how to make the CEXP power show in the trading app. They have done all they can possibly, and at the end of the day they don't have an answer. So in this video, please just make sure you sit back and relax because finally there is a solution. Now this is not actually a clickbait. At the end of this video you are going to get the solution because someone from my Telegram channel actually practicalized it, and at the end of the day it was actually a success and she did it. It happened to be that it was a mistake from my end, and I believe that's the same mistake that virtually everybody are actually having. It's actually primarily that mistake. So if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, do ensure what you like, you comment and you subscribe. Let me know the country that you are watching from, and let me know if you are still mining CEXP airdrop. Now CEXP is supposed to list any moment from now. We don't actually know the exact date because they actually scheduled to list last year 2024, and now we're actually in January, so we're hopefully waiting for them to list around the Q1. If you are not yet participating in CEXP airdrop, if you have known me for a very long time, I actually endorse people to start farming CEXP airdrop because it's actually going to be one of the airdrop that is going to do good in this season. Now I want you guys to join my Telegram channel. You can find my Telegram channel, the link is in the description box of this video. Just you can see there are different airdrop that are actually participating in. This is actually an airdrop that is actually kind of like not really integrated with CEXP trading app, but it's actually an airdrop that I think is very good. There are different airdrop that will farm here. Now on my Telegram channel you'll be able to ask me any kind of question as far as crypto trading is concerned. You can see this Depin project. There are different airdrop that we're farming here. I will always guide you on my Telegram channel so you don't go and waste money and buy ton for any airdrop developer, and end of the day you end up wasting money. On my Telegram channel we'll be holding a full-time crypto trading class in this month in January. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but whenever you're watching it, do make sure you join my Telegram channel because I will guide you as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. So quickly let's head straight back into the solution for today. Now if you observe that earlier on when you started the CEXP trading app, whenever you started, most people that are having this issue have been having it are the early birds that started the CEXP airdrop because they discovered that after they have earned a lot of CEXP power, at the end of the day it is not reflecting. This is what you have to note. Now the solution is here. First of all, what you have to do now, just come here to tax. When you go to tax, you just have to slide, just calm down. Please make sure you drop me a thank you when you finally went to do this and it's successful, and share this video so many people that are having the same problem will be able to do it and get it done quickly before the listing. Now if you scroll down, you are going to discover that now I'm scrolling down tax. All these tax you see, I haven't done them. Now go to your completed tax, because most people that are having this issue have completed that tax. If you go to your completed tax, this is what it is. If you go to your completed tax, you count number 1, 2, 3. You are going to see this particular tax that is written register in CEXP app. Tap on it. You see now it is done, right? Most of you people that are having this issue, if you discover, you see that it says done, right? So tap on it. This is what you are going to discover. While most of you were actually registering on this, you used a different email to register. But when you now went to officially download the app, either on Google Play Store or on iOS, you now use a different email. You might be arguing with me saying, no, that's not the issue. Now let me just quickly go to the DM of the lady in question that actually brought this to my notice, and we actually worked it out and it ended up being a success. I'm repeating myself again. When you are doing this tax, you used a different email. Then at the end of the day, when you now officially downloaded the app, because when this tax was actually given, that was the early stage of CEXP trading app. That was the early stage. Even I myself, when I did this tax as at the first season 1. That's when I did this tax. So at that time when I did this tax, I hadn't even downloaded the CEXP trading app. I didn't download it that time. It was later on. So virtually most of us that had that issue, it's this same problem. Now, if you have different email, I'm going to provide you a solution. Before I talk much here, let me go straight to the DM. I'm not supposed to do this, but I just want to give you guys full evidence. This is my Telegram channel. Do ensure you join. So let me just go straight to the DM of this lady in question. It's a breach of privacy, but I'm going to be I will talk to her about that. So this is it. This is December 28th. You can see it on my screen, right? She was complaining that you can see her CEXP power was not showing. She sent it to me. That's why I say you should join my Telegram channel, because I'll be able to answer you whatsoever you're having as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Now this is it. This is $0. She said she could not see, the sell power balance was not showing. You can see our chart here, right? So after a while, we had been on this case since December 28. You can see the date is going. Now on January 2nd, happened to be 2025. That became a good year for her. Now she sent me this message and she said that she discovered that, you can read it, that she discovered that the email address that she used while performing that task that I told you guys about was actually a different email, right? But when she now went to log in, when she now went to download the SEC trading app, it was a new email she used. Coincidentally, you might not even take note of all these things. Now let's go to the solution. Now I told her to just log out from that app and log in and create another account using the email that she knew she used to perform the task on the SEC trading app, on the SEC trading bot on Telegram. Now this is it. You could see it at the end of the day, something that was not showing as at this since December, right? It's not even December. We have been on this matter for a very long time. That's what we have been on this for a long time. Let me not just go there. It's a breach of privacy. I don't want to do that much. Now I'm just showing you guys that see, it was $0. Now as at January 2nd, when we talked on this, and you can see my instructions, she had to go change the email, and at the end of the day, see her balance is showing, and she was just actually happy and excited. Let me just repeat myself again so you understand. This is it. The email you use while performing these tasks, most times we use that email to register on the website, and it happened to be that the email we use while doing that was a different email. Because why? Your SEC power balance will only show based on what will I say, the datas that are actually associated with your activities here on the trading, on the tapping bots on Telegram. So go and check all your emails that you have. Maybe you might have, maybe you have a lot of email, so you can't actually know the exact email. If that's the trouble, what you just need to do is to start registering on all the email again. If you use email 1, it didn't work, you didn't see the balance, right? Use email 2 to open another account. Use as much email that you know that you have till you discover the particular email that you actually use for your SEC-IO trading, for your SEC-IO tapping bot, for the tapping bots on Telegram. So once you do that, be rest assured that at the end of the day, you are going to get this answer done successfully. I know that most of you are going to get this answer because this actually it. And if you know you are not yet mining the SEC-IO trading, the SEC-IO airdrop, please just get in now. I have been saying it. Get in now. Get in now. If you don't know how to mine this or where to get started, just go to my playlist. If you go to my playlist, you are going to see a full-time tutorial guide. I told you what to focus on. It's actually a bit late because we don't know. SEC-IO might just start. I think there's still little time. Because I'm expecting them to list in the first quarter of 2025. There is still little time. So for those people that are just starting, maybe you could just do a little bit of all you can do, and at the end of the day, I don't know how much you will get, but don't lose this opportunity. While there is still time, go and start mining. Just check my playlist. If you just go to my playlist on my channel, there is a full guide for you to know where to start from, and you'll be able to mine this correctly and get any little thing you can get, because you're actually a little bit late. So guys, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and most especially once you do this, please come back to this video and drop me a thank you, because I know this solution is going to work and is guaranteed. As you can see, somebody did it and it helped. Make sure you share this video to help as many people that are having the same issue. Thank you guys for watching. One more time, please like, comment, and you subscribe, and make sure you find your way to the comment section so you can join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel, the link is in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you guys for watching.